Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by verifying you have repo or organization admin rights and actions enabled, because you must register the runner. Once done, decide between GitHub-hosted versus self-hosted runners and pick the OS image that matches your workflows. Next, download the runner package and extract it into a clear working folder. This is where you'll run configuration commands. Make sure your machine has necessary tools like curl and tar. Then open a terminal and proceed to the configuration step immediately. Now you'll register the runner. Copy the registration token from the repository or organization settings and run the provided config script. This links the runner to GitHub. During prompts, name the runner, apply useful labels, choose a work directory, and decide if it should run as a background service. Make sure the machine allows outbound HTTPS to GitHub. So the runner can pull jobs. Once configured, test by running a sample workflow to confirm the runner accepts jobs and reports status. Start the runner as a service for production or run it interactively when debugging so you can see live output. This helps you spot environment or permission problems quickly. Monitor the runner logs in the diag folder or via your OS Service Manager to catch failed steps, network timeouts, or canceled jobs. If jobs don't start, renew the registration token, update the runner package, and verify firewall or proxy rules. This one step resolves most connectivity and authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.